Live from the PCSO official draw court, this is the Philippine Lotto Draws. And your host tonight, Miss Trixie Abogado.
Good evening, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Today is Saturday, January 7, 2012. Ihanda na po ang mga tickets dahil maglalaro na po tayo ng inyong mga favorite Lotto games na Easy 2 Lotto, Suertes Lotto, 6-digit, Lotto 642 at Grand Lotto 640-55 games. Para samahan tayo sa paghatid ng swerte, narito po ang ating panel of judges sa pangunguna ng ating chairperson, Mr. Jesus Quieto. Makakasama din natin ang mga representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit. And to assist us with the draws, we have our PCSO draw coordinator. Pre-draw procedures kanina, panoorin muna natin ang naging kaganapan.
Sa gaganaping live draws, siniguro ng ating panel of judges and representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit na maayos ang kondisyon ng draw machines na gagamitin. Only the operation of the remote switch button ang may human intervention. Sa random selection of draw balls, 3 sets ang pinagpipilian for each game. All balls in all sets have almost exactly the same weight. Lahat po ng bola ay tinimbang at covered po ito ng video. Tapos masiguro na person lamang ang makakapag-load ng draw na gamitin sa mga draws.
Okay, get ready and good luck. Pilipinas, it's time to play the Grand Lotto 655. Philippines, tonight's Grand Lotto 655 jackpot prize is 84,502,785 pesos and 60 centavos. Kasama po ng ating draw coordinator ang judges, Ms. Sir, please press that button and let's play Grand Lotto. Maraming salamat ulit natin si Sir sa ating Mega Lotto draw, the Grand Lotto 655 draw. Good luck po. And the first number is
Number 53.
number 53. Balls po ang pipiliin ng ating Saturn machine out of 55 draw balls. In any order po yan to win the jackpot prize. The second
Number 30.
number. Ipaalala namin sa lahat, ingatan pong mabuti yung mga lotto tickets. Napaka-sensitive po ng mga yan. The third number is
Number 15.
number 15. Ugaliin po yung ang likod ng inyong mga tickets para siguradong kayo lang ang makakapag-claim ng inyong panalo. The fourth number is
Number 51.
number 51. If you got those 4 numbers, 2,000 pesos ang siguradong sayo. At kung 5 numbers ang makuha, 1,000 pesos ang premyo. And the fifth number is ang hintay nating piliin ng ating Saturn machine. Sino kaya maka-1,000,000 pesos? And the sixth and final number is number 33. Recapping the official Grand Lotto 655 winning numbers in any order, we have numbers 53, 30, 15, 51, and 33. For the jackpot prize, 502,785 pesos and 60 centavos. Ang dala ng susunod na game, milyong pa premyo pa rin. Pilipinas, ang ating lot 980,812 pesos. Muli ng ating draw coordinator, ang chairman of the Mr. Guest, sir, please press that button and let's play Lotto 642. Maraming salamat po muli sa ating chairperson and to the rest of our panel of judges sa pag ng swerte. 6 out of 42 balls po ang piliin ng ating Mega Gem. ang mga siswertehin at magiging milyonaryo ngayong gabi. The first number is
Number 6.
number 6. Sa mga ngayon lang nag-tune in, we are currently playing the Lotto 642 draw and waiting for over 11 million peso winning combination in any order po yan. The second number is
Number 17.
number 17. Favorite Lotto games, mag-advance draw system play, maaaring bumili ng tickets from 2 up to 6 consecutive.
Number 13.
Number Fanatics, maaari na kayong bumili ng People Power Sweepstakes February 26, 2012. The coordinator.
Number 28.
Number 2 na ang panalo mo. Kung pati itong panglimang numero ang 1,000 pesos ang premyo mo. And the fifth,
25.
number 25. We are waiting for drawn by the Mega Gem. Could this still be your lucky 2 winning combination? The sixth and final Philippines, here are the official Lotto 60 order. We have numbers 6, 17, 28, 25, and 38 with the jackpot prize of 11,982,812 pesos and 40 centavos. Para po sa mga nagtatanong tungkol sa People Power Sweepstakes Draw, gaganapin po ito sa February 26, 2012. Maaari kayong bumili ng tickets sa mga Lotto outlets, PCSO branch offices, at sa mga favorite sweepstakes agents. Hindi naman magpapahuli sa papremyo ang mga digit games. Simulan natin sa 6 na numero. Luzon, we are now playing the 6-digit game. As of our last draw, ang naiipong first prize ay umabot na sa 600. To win the first prize, dapat makuha nyo ang 6-digit winning exact order. At po sa first prize, exciting din po ang mga consolation prizes ng 6-digit game, ranging from 40 pesos all the way to 40,000 pesos per 10 peso play. Yan ay kung makukuha mo ang first 5 numbers ng mapipiling 6-digit winning combination in exact order. And there you have it, our 6-digit winning combination. Sir, what is the first digit?
Number 1.
Number 1, the second digit.
Number 4.
Number 4, the third digit.
Number 2.
Number 2, the fourth digit is?
Number 2.
Number 2, the fifth digit. The sixth digit is?
Number 5.
Number 5 combination is 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, and 5 in exact order. Manalo, let's play Tres Lotto. Luzon and Visayas, Mindanao, Tres Lotto players. Tutok na sa mga tickets. Kasalukuyan pong nilalaro natin ang Twice a Day Swertres rin pong manalo at sumali dito, matching the 3-digit winning combination in exact order wins you 4 sauce per 10 peso play. At sa mga bumili naman tickets using the Rambolito system play, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo nyo. At nakapili na ang ating digit machines. Sir, can we have the first digit?
Number 1.
Number 1, the second digit.
0.
0. And finally, the third digit.
0.
The winning combination is 1. 0 and 0. Libo-libong pa-premyo pa rin ito Lotto. Easy to instant cash prizes na katapat. Ang dali lang magang ng tig-isang numero sa bawat subsets ng Easy 2 Game Panel 31. Dito, instant 4,000 galo mo kung mamatch mo ang mapipiling Easy 2 winning combination o ang mga numero nyo using the Rambolito system play. Ang prize po dito ay play. Ayan at nakapili na ng Easy 2 lines. Mr. Draw Coordinator, what is the first number? 18, the second number.
Number 30.
Number 30, recapping tonight's Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers, we have the numbers 18 and 30 in exact. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nanalo. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo bukas. para sa Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, Super Lotto 649 game na may estimated jackpot prize na 48 million pesos. Make sure to have tickets for those games. Recap time na tayo. Umpisahan natin sa resulta ng 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Lotto draws. Para sa Nationwide Easy 2 Lotto 11 a.m. draw, ang winning numbers po ay 9 and 5 in exact order. Sa Nationwide Suertres Lotto 11 a.m. draw, the winning combination is 4, 9, and 9 in exact order. For the Nationwide Easy 2 Lotto 4 p.m. draw, the lucky numbers are 29 and 10 in exact order. And for the Nationwide Suertres Lotto 4 p.m. draw, we have drawn the combination 5, 0, and 6 in exact order. Congratulations to all our winners. At para sa katatapos lang ng mga draws, narito po muli ang mga winning numbers. Let's start with the Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers. We have 18 and 30 in exact order. At para sa Suertres Lotto, we have numbers 1, 0, and 0 in exact order. At para sa 6th digit, we have numbers 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, and 5 in exact order. At para naman po sa Lotto 642, we have numbers 6, 17, 13, 28, 25, 38 in any order for the jackpot prize of 18,982,812 pesos and 40 centavos. At uulitin ko lang po ulit, ang ating jackpot ay 11,982,812 pesos. At para sa Grand Lotto 655, we have numbers 53, 30, 15, 51, 1, and 33 in any order para sa jackpot prize na 84,502,785 pesos and 60 centavos. At ang inaabangan ng lahat, may winners ba tayo o wala? Ayon po sa main computer center ng PCSO, wala pong winner sa Grand Lotto 655 na may jackpot prize na umabot sa mahigit 84 million pesos. Samantala, sa Lotto 642 ay no winner din na may jackpot prize na umigit 11 million pesos. Para po sa PCSO, ito po si Trixie Abogado. Nagsasabing good night and sweet dreams.